We're going to talk today about the glutes and how weakness in the glutes can cause a lot of problems, not only at the hips, but also at the knees, ankles, feet. So it can be a pretty big contributor to a lot of different painful areas, like I mentioned, all the way down your legs. So the glutes are a pretty big muscle. Actually, there makes up 3 of them, more if you include some of the other smaller stabilizing muscles in your hip. But one in particular kind of wraps all the way around the side of your hip and onto your leg here, and it's pretty important for holding your hip into a natural and preferred alignment. So we'll use Erica here as an example. So if she were to stand and not have very strong glutes, her knees might cave in. So this muscle isn't strong enough to kind of pull her leg out, so her knee might cave in. So then if you see, so go ahead and bend your knee and cave your knee a little bit. So if this kind of occurs at your knee, you can even see what's going to happen at your ankle. So the foot's going to kind of fall out, and arch is going to collapse. That's going to cause a lot of stress on the arch of your foot, as well as all the joints and structures throughout your foot. There's a lot of bones in there, a lot of ligaments, including that plantar fascia, and that can be stressed as well. So you can see how if you're not very strong here, you can have problems really anywhere down the chain. So now then, for example, if someone were to walk or run, which walking or running, you're kind of alternating between standing on one leg, which requires a lot of strength and a lot of work in those hips. So Erica here is going to stand on one leg. And now let's pretend you have some weak glutes here and let that foot fall in. So you can see how right away when her knee falls in, that affects really everything down to her feet. And that can cause a lot of problems too in the kneecap. So we see a lot of people with what we call patellofemoral syndrome, where the kneecap isn't going to slide and glide right because the angle the leg changes. So the glutes are a very important muscle, and that's why we really like to focus on them here at Freedom.